Welcome to our video on Understanding the Different Types of Diabetes, a comprehensive guide. Diabetes is a chronic medical condition that affects how your body processes glucose, the main source of energy for your cells. Understanding diabetes is crucial because it impacts millions of lives worldwide, and there isn't a one-size-fits-all approach to managing it. In this video, we'll delve into the various types of diabetes, shedding light on their unique characteristics, causes, and management strategies. So, let's begin our journey of demystifying diabetes and empowering you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your health. Type 1 diabetes is characterized by its autoimmune nature, where the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels by allowing glucose to enter cells for energy. Due to this destruction, individuals with type 1 diabetes become insulin dependent, meaning they need to take insulin injections or use an insulin pump to manage their blood sugar levels. This type of diabetes typically develops during childhood or adolescence, although it can occur at any age. The exact cause of type 1 diabetes is still not fully understood, but genetic factors and environmental triggers are believed to play a role. Effective management of type 1 diabetes involves carefully monitoring blood sugar levels, adjusting insulin doses, maintaining a balanced diet, and engaging in regular physical activity. It's a lifelong commitment, and staying proactive is essential to prevent complications and ensure a good quality of life. Type 2 diabetes is primarily characterized by insulin resistance, a condition where the body's cells become less responsive to the effects of insulin. This results in elevated blood sugar levels because glucose can't enter the cells effectively. Over time, the pancreas may struggle to produce enough insulin to compensate for this resistance, leading to further complications. Lifestyle factors such as poor diet, lack of physical activity, and excess body weight are major contributors to the development of type 2 diabetes. Genetics also play a role, as individuals with a family history of diabetes have a higher risk. Managing type 2 diabetes involves a multifaceted approach. A healthy diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, and vegetables, while minimizing sugar and refined carbohydrates, can help regulate blood sugar levels. Regular exercise enhances insulin sensitivity and promotes overall well-being. In some cases, oral medications or insulin injections may be prescribed to assist in managing blood sugar levels. Combining these strategies with regular monitoring of blood sugar levels and routine checkups with healthcare professionals is crucial in preventing complications and maintaining optimal health for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Gestational diabetes is a type of diabetes that develops during pregnancy, usually in the second or third trimester. It occurs when hormonal changes during pregnancy lead to insulin resistance, similar to type 2 diabetes. This condition affects the way the body processes glucose, potentially resulting in elevated blood sugar levels. There are risks associated with gestational diabetes for both the mother and the baby. For the mother, it increases the risk of high blood pressure, preeclampsia, and type 2 diabetes later in life. For the baby, it can lead to excessive birth weight, preterm birth, and an increased risk of developing obesity and type 2 diabetes later in life. Monitoring and managing gestational diabetes during pregnancy is crucial to minimize these risks. This often involves regular blood sugar monitoring, a balanced diet, appropriate physical activity, and, in some cases, medication or insulin therapy. Healthcare providers closely monitor the health of both the mother and the baby throughout the pregnancy to ensure optimal outcomes. After delivery, blood sugar levels usually return to normal, but women who had gestational diabetes should continue to monitor their health and risk for type 2 diabetes in the future. Aside from type 1 and type 2 diabetes, there are other less common types. LADA, latent autoimmune diabetes in adults. LADA is a form of diabetes that shares characteristics of both type 1 and type 2. It typically develops in adulthood and is initially mistaken for type 2 diabetes. However, it is caused by an autoimmune response that gradually destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas, leading to a need for insulin treatment. MODY, maturity onset diabetes of the young. MODY is a group of rare genetic disorders that cause diabetes in younger individuals, often before the age of 25. It is caused by specific gene mutations that affect insulin production or the functioning of insulin in the body. MODY often runs in families and can be mistaken for type 1 or type 2 diabetes. Secondary diabetes. This type of diabetes is caused by other medical conditions or medications that affect insulin production or utilization. For example, hormonal disorders like Cushing's syndrome, certain medications such as glucocorticoids, and conditions like pancreatic diseases can lead to diabetes. Managing the underlying condition or adjusting medication regimens is crucial in treating secondary diabetes. Understanding these less common types of diabetes is important for accurate diagnosis and effective management, as treatment approaches may differ from those for type 1 and type 2 diabetes. It's always recommended to work closely with healthcare professionals for proper diagnosis and management. Shared diabetes management strategies are essential across various types of diabetes. Blood sugar monitoring. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels is a cornerstone of diabetes management. This helps individuals understand how their diet, activity, and medications affect their blood sugar levels. By tracking these levels, individuals can make informed decisions about their daily routines and make necessary adjustments to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Importance of a balanced diet. A balanced diet is crucial for managing diabetes. Focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables and fruits. Controlling portion sizes and carbohydrate intake is particularly important to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Regular physical activity. Engaging in regular physical activity can improve insulin sensitivity and help manage blood sugar levels. Aim for a combination of aerobic exercises like walking, swimming, or cycling and strength training. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Remember that individualized care is key when managing diabetes. What works for one person may not work for another. Always work closely with your healthcare team to develop a personalized plan that aligns with your specific needs, lifestyle, and goals. Here's how tailored approaches to managing each type of diabetes generally look. Insulin therapy for type 1 diabetes. Since type 1 diabetes involves a lack of insulin production, insulin therapy is a primary treatment. Individuals with type 1 diabetes typically need multiple daily insulin injections or use an insulin pump to mimic the body's natural insulin release. Monitoring blood sugar levels and adjusting insulin doses accordingly is essential to maintain stable glucose levels. Medications and lifestyle changes for type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes management often begins with lifestyle changes including adopting a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and maintaining a healthy weight. If these measures aren't sufficient, oral medications or injectable medications that help the body use insulin more effectively might be prescribed. In some cases, insulin therapy might also be necessary. Gestational diabetes management during and after pregnancy. Managing gestational diabetes involves monitoring blood sugar levels, following a balanced diet, and engaging in appropriate physical activity. For some women, these lifestyle changes are enough to control blood sugar levels during pregnancy. However, if blood sugar remains elevated, insulin therapy might be required. After pregnancy, blood sugar levels usually return to normal, but women who had gestational diabetes should continue monitoring and maintain a healthy lifestyle to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Remember, these are general approaches, and each individual's treatment plan will be tailored to their specific needs and circumstances. Always consult with healthcare professionals to create a personalized plan that ensures the best management for your diabetes type. Preventive measures and lifestyle tips are crucial for reducing the risk of developing diabetes and managing it effectively. Reducing risk factors. Minimize your risk of developing diabetes by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Avoid smoking, limit alcohol intake, and manage stress through relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. Regular checkups can help monitor your health and catch any potential issues early. Healthy eating habits. Adopt a balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, vegetables, and fruits. Focus on controlling portion sizes and carbohydrate intake to manage blood sugar levels. Avoid sugary foods and beverages, and opt for foods with a low glycemic index to prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar. Maintaining a healthy weight. Aim to achieve and maintain a healthy weight through a combination of a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Losing excess weight can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Even a modest weight loss can have significant positive effects on blood sugar control. By embracing these preventive measures and lifestyle tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of diabetes and improve your overall well-being. If you have been diagnosed with diabetes, these practices are equally important for effectively managing your condition and preventing complications. Always consult with healthcare professionals for personalized guidance based on your individual health needs. Medical supervision is vital in effectively managing diabetes and ensuring your overall health. Regular checkups and consultations. Regular visits to healthcare professionals, including your primary care physician and endocrinologist, allow for ongoing monitoring of your diabetes management and overall health. These checkups help identify any potential complications or adjustments needed in your treatment plan. Individualized treatment plans. Healthcare professionals can create personalized treatment plans based on your medical history, lifestyle, and specific diabetes type. These plans may include medication adjustments, dietary recommendations, and exercise regimens that suit your needs and goals. Collaboration with healthcare professionals. Collaborating with your healthcare team fosters a comprehensive approach to diabetes management. They can provide guidance, support, and education on various aspects of diabetes, from blood sugar monitoring techniques to understanding how medications work. Remember that diabetes is a complex condition, and its management can evolve over time. Engaging with healthcare professionals ensures that you stay informed about the latest advancements and strategies to effectively manage your diabetes while minimizing the risk of complications. Always prioritize communication with your healthcare team to make informed decisions about your health. In conclusion, we've explored the diverse landscape of diabetes and its various types. From type 1 diabetes with its autoimmune nature and insulin dependence, to type 2 diabetes characterized by insulin resistance and the role of lifestyle factors, as well as gestational diabetes's impact on pregnancy. We've also touched on less common types like LADA and MODY, along with secondary diabetes due to underlying medical conditions or medications. Shared diabetes management strategies such as blood sugar monitoring, healthy eating habits, and regular physical activity are essential tools for all types. Through this journey, we've learned the importance of medical supervision, individualized treatment plans, and collaboration with healthcare professionals. Armed with knowledge, we can make informed decisions about our health and well-being, empowering ourselves to effectively manage diabetes and lead fulfilling lives. Remember, understanding and education are key. By staying informed and working in partnership with healthcare experts, we can navigate the complexities of diabetes with confidence and resilience. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration, and here's to your health and empowerment.